Welcome to my show. How are you this evening?
I am great. I'm very excited.
Please share with us the news.
Jagger K is back.
Jagger K?
Yes, the scary guy that runs castings and classes. The New York City area home for free castings and affordable acting classes is back.
I thought he died.
No, he is alive.
Are you sure he is not dead?
Positive. He Facebooked me several times.
Did he tweet you as well?
Jagger rarely tweets. He says tweeting is for pussies.
Watch your language on my show, please. So what is your affiliation with Jagger K?
I never met him, but he emails me daily. A lot.
He spams you?
No, you voluntarily sign up for his free casting list, and then you get free castings as well as info on all his award-winning affordable acting classes.
May I ask, why haven't you taken any classes, if they are so affordable and win so many awards?
Because I am a dipshit.
Watch the language.
Who always thought he would be there, and now I realize those song lyrics you don't know what you almost had until it's almost gone mean.
Those are not the lyrics.
Anyway, I checked his website and all his backstage awards are verifiable, and he has hundreds of accolades from actors, and I signed up for all his classes.
Are you sure the accolades are real?
Yes, I know many of the actors. Like Gina Scarda, Anthony Navarrete, Steph Van Vleck, Angelo Mercato, John Newsom, Brian Gagnon, Jamie Cretelli, and hundreds more that will be upset that I did not mention them. Sorry, CNCers.
How many backstage awards has he won?
This year alone CNC was cited 7 times and Jagger cited 6 times by himself.
Holy shit, that is a lot. Sorry for the language, they can beep that in post.
It's fine, everyone curses around Jagger eventually.
You said he was a scary guy, how so?
He is ginormous. Plus I think he now has a mohawk, either that or a skinhead.
That does sound really scary.
You are so fucking right, but he is very cool.
Please watch the language.
Just bleep it out in post. Anyway, I first heard about him through my vocal coach Susan Icorn Young, and he has amazing people teaching for him.
Like who?
Major agents and casting directors, plus any nominated television actors, and even major Hollywood directors stop by.
Really? That sounds exciting. Does he work with beginners as well, because I'm interested?
Yes, but just don't ever be late, because he will kick your ass.
Language.
Post.
How do I contact him?
Through one of his 100 email addresses.
Why so many?
Who knows? The man is nuts, but the best at what he does.
He.
Just go to his website at www.castingsandclasses.com and that should do it.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome, and one more thing if I can.
Please go ahead.
CNC does a lot of charity events for children, so make sure you are prepared, or he will give you the look.
The look?
Yes, it's a look he gives people who are late too. It is really scary, and makes you poop your pants.
I don't want to poop my pants.
Then be on time, and bring a toy.
Then I will. Seems like we are out of time. I will see you at CNC soon.
Because
that
is
how
we
roll.